From Advisory Desk 9th October 2023. Market Outlook. U.S. market ended higher on Friday as investors digested the strong jobs data report. However, futures were trading lower by 0.5% due to geopolitical tensions erupting in the Middle East. Following the news, crude oil prices rose by 4% and are currently trading near $88. The U.S. market will be closed today, along with major Asian markets. Gift Nifty is indicating a flat opening for the Indian market. On the domestic front, Nifty closed higher on Friday following the RBI's decision to keep interest rates unchanged, while 10-year bond yields spiked sharply after the RBI's announcement of OMO sales to manage liquidity. FIIs have been gradually reducing their net selling amount in the cash segment while continuing to maintain higher short positions in the index futures. Going forward, Q2 corporate earnings, FIIs inflows, oil prices, and global and domestic macroeconomic data will set the tone for the markets. Actionable: Buy Titan, Bajaj Finance, DLF, CDSL. Global market. Dow, plus 288. Gift Nifty, 130, Prev close 19,770. Nifty 50, 19,653. Sensex, 65,995. Institution. FII, 90 CR. DII, plus 783 CR. NSE. Advances, 2,298. Declines, 1,365. Currency. Dollar, $83.24. Dollar Index, 106.25. Commodity. Gold, $1,866 per ounce. Crude, $87.85 per barrel. Bonds. 10-year US bond rate, 4.78. 10-year Indian bond rate, 7.34. Derivative. PCR, 0.95. VIX, 10.30. Updates. Titan, quarterly business update. The company has recorded a revenue growth of 20% year-over-year, with the jewelry division growing 19%, watches and wearables 32%, and the eye care segment registering 12% year-over-year growth. Emerging business growth stood at 29% year-over-year, while CaratLane grew by 45% year-over-year. Titan has added 81 stores in this quarter, taking its retail presence to 2,859 stores. Liquor, sugar stocks. The GST Council has decided to cut GST on molasses to 5% from 28% in a relief to sugarcane farmers. It also exempted extra neutral alcohol, ENA, used to produce liquor from the GST regime. TCS, the company, has announced that the board of directors will meet on 11th October 2023 to consider buying back the company's equity shares. Reliance Industries, Sovereign Wealth Fund Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, ADIA, will invest an additional 4,966 rupees and 80 paise crore in Reliance Retail Ventures Ltd, RRVL, following a 1.18% stake purchase in the company in October 2020. The fresh investment values RRVL at a pre-money equity value of 8 rupees and 38 paise trillion, and this investment translates into equity stake of 0.59%. MCX. The company has received approval from SEBI's Technical Advisory Panel to shift to the new commodity derivative trading platform. SEBI withdrew its abeyance order and asked the company to propose the go-live date on the new platform. BSE. The company will launch options contracts on underlying WTI crude oil and Brent crude oil futures from today. In addition, the exchange will introduce futures contracts on base metals such as copper, zinc, aluminium. Prestige Estates, quarterly business update, registered sales of Rs 7092.6 crore, up by 102% year-over-year. The collections from customers rose 1% to Rs 2639.8 crore. Sales bookings rose 50% year-over-year to 6.84 million square feet. Average realization of plot was 6,753 rupees per sq foot, up by 62% YoY. The group sold 3,659 units during this quarter. Bank of Baroda, quarterly business update, total business crossed the Rs 22 lakh crore mark, up 15.88% YoY. Total advances at the bank grew by 17.43% YoY and 3.51% QoQ to 10 rupees and 25 paise lakh crore, and deposits increased by 14.63% YoY and 4.15% QoQ to 12 rupees and 49 paise lakh crore. Domestic CASA of 4 rupees and 28 paise lakh crore, up 4.43% YoY. Tata Steel, quarterly business update. India's crude steel production is up 4% YoY and on half-year basis it increased